Hi, Jeffrey Langlois, Langlois Vital Nutrition Center here in Brookfield, Wisconsin. Okay, homemade Gatorade, just the label from them. Don't drink that junk. That is garbage. Basically, you know what Gatorade is? All their fancy science. This is salt water with enough sugar and artificial coloring so you can't see it, and enough sugar so you can't taste the salt, okay? In the old days, they would give athletes salt pills. I remember after football practice, we'd get a salt pill to help rehydrate us. So salt attracts water. It pulls water into our bodies, okay? Pulls fluids. So when you get dehydrated, when you're exercising or outside in the heat, you drink salt water and you help to get rehydrated, okay? So when you're sweating a lot, sometimes you even have salt stains on your clothes, things like that. Anyway, there's a couple different homemade versions of that. You can look on the internet. You can just use water, oops, wrong side, with a little bit of honey. Add some sea salt and cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is a great source of potassium. There's also a little bit of potassium in Gatorade, your two primary electrolytes, sodium and potassium. What's the most important thing on your hair analysis? We always look at sodium and potassium first. That is called the life-death ratio. This is energy, electrical impulses in your body, okay? We see people way down here, but use your hair analysis as a guide too. If you have real high sodium inside the tissue, remember this is a tissue test, this isn't in your blood, this is what's getting into the tissues, not what's in the blood. They can be different. The blood's got to stay healthy to feed your heart. Okay, so anyway, you can use this. Most people are rock bottom that we see. Okay, they have no electricity in their body. Okay, so if you have high sodium, don't use a lot of salt. Maybe your potassium is low. Maybe you have high potassium. Just you can look at your hair test. But this would be a natural get, or you can just use some juice. Any fruit juice has a lot of potassium in it. We don't want a lot of sugar, 2 ounces, 3 ounces, with just enough to cover up the flavor of the salt water. Cream of tartar has got a lot of potassium in it. I also know a top tennis player nationally. He uses apple cider vinegar, which has got some potassium in it, and I'm not sure what's all in there, malic acid, some things in the apples. Anyway, he puts molasses and vinegar, and it keeps them on the tennis court in the heat for hours and hours. Black slap molasses, that black thick syrup, is the minerals that they take away from the white sugar. White sugar is so they have a longer shelf life in their foods, and they take out all the minerals. So that black syrup is the soil. We talk about doing a soil test on your body and measuring your minerals. That's the dirt, the soil, the black, rich soil. The molasses is loaded with minerals. You can put a teaspoon of blackstrap molasses in your water, and you're getting electrolytes. These are all electrolytes. Every one of these aren't healthy ones, but they used to make batteries out of lead, okay, and cadmium, okay? And they make batteries out of lithium right now in your phones. And they make cobalt batteries, and they make nickel batteries, and we've all heard of copper top batteries. Minerals hold charges, positive, negative. These are electrolytes, so you want to replace them, not just with sugar water with salt added. You want to get, I like the molasses idea, honey's good, some kind of whole fruit juice, okay? So that'll keep you hydrated. You can dilute it however you want. I gave some suggestions there. You can even dilute that if you want with extra water. And use your hair analysis as a guide. All right. I hope that really helps the quality of your life and your family's life. So thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video. Remember to give us a like if you like this. That helps us so we can help more people.